Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Earth signs natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong ganap sa inyo right now, no? Mga Earth signs natin, right? No? So, yeah. And for those na nanonood sa TikTok right now, no? So, maraming salamat sa laging panonood sa ating mga reading, no? Sa mga readings ninyo, no? Mga earth signs natin, right? No? So, let's see what is your inner strength, no? Mga earth signs natin. Sabihin natin na maybe for some of you, no? May mga inner strength kayo na you are about to discover or hindi nyo pa nalalaman sa sarili nyo, right? No? So, let's see. Let's find out, no? Mga earth signs natin. And of course, what is your current situation right now, no? Mga earth signs. And ang pinaka-importante, message, advice from the universe, from our source, no? From our God, right? No? Mga goddesses ko, earth signs. So, yeah, let's start with you, Taurus. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Taurus natin dyan, no? So, let's see what is your inner strength, right? No, mga Taurus natin. Let's see. Anong inner strength ng mga Taurus natin? Please, Universe, Holy Spirit. No? Maybe for some of you, no, alam nyo na to, na i-embody nyo na. And then, for some of you, you are about to discover pa more of your inner strength, right? No? So, let's see. What is your inner strength, no, mga Taurus? So, let's get one card here. So, let's see. So, you have this, be brave and true, no? Spirit warrior, no? So, for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin, no? What I see here sa inyong inner strength, no? For some of you, you are embodying this kind of, brave kind of, diba? Walang inuurungan, pinagtatanggol, no? Kasi brave and true, no? So, more on truthful lang kayo. I mean, sabihin nating kayo, no? Sa totoo lang kayo pumapanig, right? At pinaglalaban nyo kung ano yung katotohanan, no? Something like that, no? With that, no, you have this spirit warrior, right? No? Basta panig kayo sa katotohanan, yun ang paglalaban nyo, right? No? So, for some of you, this is your inner strength, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? Whatever it is, right? No? Kahit ano pang dumaan na pagsubok, basta totoo at kung ano mang mga issues, basta for you, no? Iaano nyo, no? Kung ano yung totoo, right? Hindi rin kayo basta-basta susugod, right? No? Kasi being brave is not always na kailangan sugod ka lang sugod, right? But then, you have to see, or discover what is the real reason about that issue, right? Hindi yung magre-react agad-agad kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, for some of you Taurus, no, kayo ito na pinag-aaralan nyo muna. And for some of you na parang kailangan malaman nyo muna yung totoo bago kayo gumawa ng action, no? Para masabing matapang lang kayo, right? No? So, for some of you, no, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, right? Na being strong is not always yun nga, no, ang kailangan magre-react into something, no? Kailangan dito, nag-iisip mabuti, maging smart, right? No? Logic mag-isip, no? For some of you. Kasi pag sinabing brave and true, and from that, no, you are this na spirit warrior, napakalalim yan right? No? For some of you, napakalalim, no? Sabihin natin, more on logical talaga, pinag-iisipan nyo ang isang bagay at kailangan dito ay nalalaman nyo rin yung katotohanan bago kayo, no? Kumaga parang sa investigasyon, no, talagang inaalam nyo kung ano yung nangyari, no? Something like that, right? No, bago kayo gumawa ng action. So, di ba, gano'n naman dapat, hindi yung para react lang tayo ng react agad, no? Kahit, example, sa mga chismis-chismis, no? Nakikichismis na lang din tayong pala, hindi naman pala totoo, right? No? So, before tayo pumunta sa mga ganyan, no? Tignan muna natin, no, both sides, no? Something like, be fair din, no? Something like that. So, you are this, no? You are embodying a spirit warrior who are fighting, or I mean, being brave for the truth, no, something like that, no, basta katotohanan, panig ka, no, for some of you, right, mga Taurus. So yan, no, that's it, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko sa card ninyo, mga Taurus natin. So let's see what is the current situation for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin. Let's see what ay dito, no? What is your current situation for Taurus, please? Anong current situation ng mga Taurus natin? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Taurus. Let's see. So you have this, better alone than in a bad company, and sleep on it. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, maybe for some of you, ano kayo, no, sabihin natin na mas gusto niya na mapag-isa, no, for some of you, no, and then, kumbaga, di ba, parang nakikita mo rin dito, relax ka lang, right, no, kumbaga, umiiwas kayo sa mga issues, right? No, kung na alam niyo parang hindi naman maganda, no? Yeah, sabi ko nga sa mga chismis-chismis, no? For some of you, napapalibiran ka mga chismosa, right? No, so, para sa inyo, you don't mind, no? Parang wala ka naman talagang mapapala kung makikiisa ka rin sa mga tao na kung ano-ano lang ginagawa sa buhay, right? No, so, tama lang na, mas siguro for some of you, instead of joining a group of people na alam mo nonsense lang naman. So, better to relax na lang sa home, no? Something like that, no? But then, kumaga you are choosing yourself. Of course, no? Kailangan naman dito, no? Always choose yourself, no? Hindi mo kailangan na makisama ka sa mga tao na para lang sabihin na in ka, no? Something like that, no? Kasi, yes, we have all, the right, no, para mag-choose, no, kung anong gusto natin gawin sa buhay, di ba? No, so, for some of you, hindi nyo kailangan makisama sa mga tao or grupo para lang masabing, makikiuso kayo, or para lang masabi nyo sarili nyo na you're not alone, no? Being just yourself, hindi yan ibig sabihin you're alone, right? No? Kasi nandyan si God, right? No? Pwede natin siyang kausapin when we're alone, no? If you are feeling alone, right? No? May mga kamag-anak ka, siblings, no? Or for some of you, it's better to be by yourself, right? No? Diba? Mas okay pa kaysa ma-involve ka sa mga sitwasyon na hindi naman maganda, right? No? For some of you, so and then for some of you, ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, may mga messages kapag sa mga panaginip ninyo, right? Maybe for some of you, no, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga panaginip na may mga grupo kayong nakikita. Pwede rin sabihin natin na gano'n, no? Na parang may nakikita kayong mga kung ano man itong mga senaryo na message. Kasi parang may message from your dreams, no? Sabi dito, no, right? No? Kumbaga, while you are sleeping, no, for some of you, no, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga dreams na may kinalaman, no, sa mga, maybe for some of you, may mga nakikita kayo na mga tao sa inyong panaginip, no? May message yun, no, for some of you na parang may warning sign, right? No, kasi sinasabi rito is, no, better alone, no, than in a bad company, right? No, so may message from your dreams, no, na maybe kung may particular person or group kayo na nakikita doon, or community, whatever it is, no, sa inyong dreams, right, no, may nakikita kayong gano'n, maybe it's a message or a warning for you na that person is, there is something behind that person, right, na hindi mo dapat pakisamahan tong tao na ito, right, no, so may message from your dreams, no? Better to take down notes, no, for some of you Taurus, no, para mapag-connect ninyo ang mga dreams ninyo, no? There is really a message for you dyan, no, mga Taurus natin, right, no? So, let's see what else, no? Ano pang message, current situation for you, mga Taurus natin. Let's see. No, tingnan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for Taurus, please. Ano pang current situation ninyo, mga Taurus natin? Let's see. Yeah, for some of you, no, so you have this pressure cooker, no, rage, ready to explode, and then interview, talk, conversation, get on the same page. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito may conflict, no, for some, sabihin natin, yeah, no, so for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, no, there is a conflict or there will be a conflict sa inyo ng isang person, no, kung ano man ito, right, no, may pag-uusap dito. At for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, kung ikaw man ito or yung person na yun, na kung sino man ang sa tingin mo palaging mainit ang ulo, right, no, so better to na lang siguro, ang nakikita ko rito ay iwasan mo yung mga conflicts, no, mga Taurus natin. Hayaan mo na lang, no. For some of you, no, kung meron kang ma-encounter na tao na parang may pagtatalunan kayo dito, right, no, at mag-e-explode sa init ng ulo ito, right, no, so, or ikaw, no, kung ikaw man ito, no, better to low down your temper, no, para maiwasan din yung gulo, no, pagtatalo, no, better, no, kasi mas okay na iwasan na lang, no, para hindi magdala ng negativity, no, sa inyo, no, mga Taurus natin, no. So iwasan niyo na lang hangga't maaari ang mga pagtatalo-talo right now, no, sa for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin. So what else, no, what is your current situation for some of you, mga Taurus natin? Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Taurus. Current situation for Taurus. Let's see. So you have this 10 of Cups and then 2 of Pentacles. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, parang, yeah, for some of you, no, there is, happy, kumbaga sabihin natin, within the family, no, unti-unti na rin, no, nagkakaroon na ng mga kaliwanagan, no, for some of you, no, may mga, naka-survive from a situation na talagang, siguro for some of you, may mga pinagdaanan sa inyong family, right, no, and now, no, for some of you, parang, yeah, nakikita ko rito, nagkaroon ng mga struggles, but now, no, parang nasusolusyonan unti-unti, no, at nagkakaroon ng unity again, no, for some of you, no, mga Taurus, no. So nakikita ko rito na bumabalik ulit yung dati, no, kung ano yung saya na meron sa family, right, no, regarding, kasi may mga sitwasyon na nakasira, no, sa inyong family, for some of you. And then, ang nakikita ko rito, no, unti-unti, no, nire-resolve ninyo yung mga issues, no, within the family. And now, nagiging masaya ulit ang pagsasamahan sa loob ng inyong family, right, no, mga Taurus. So, napakaganda, right, no, parang tapos na nun, or matatapos na din kung ano itong mga problemang pinagdaanan ninyo. For some of you, no, parang, kasi may mga nagkaroon ng desisyon, no, for some of you, but then, ang decision is to stay, no, and to work out, no, kung ano man yung mga issues, no, something na parang, yeah, you are starting anew, no, with this 10 of Cups, kasi may natapos na cycle, something like that, right, no, yeah, tinapos kung ano itong mga struggles, no, and you are now in a new cycle again, no? Na mas maganda ang parang sinisimulan ninyo, right? No, better sabihin natin na um yeah, tinatapos niyo kasi tinapos niyo na no? Kumbaga parang you are leaving behind all that is not serving the good things na alam nyo na, I mean bad things no, bad memories, negativities around na nagkaroon ng issues no, for some of you Taurus no, and then you are leaving those no, or yan, parang kakalimutan na lang to be to start again no, something like that, right no, at bumabangon ulit no, for some of you na may mga naging struggle financially sa relationship no, for some of you no, at bumabangon no, nagkakaroon ulit ng unity because for some of you may committed, may family involved no, may mga kids involved no, and you are choosing to stay no, for some of you, right no, para ay kumbaga ay ayusin no ang inyong family, no? Something like that. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, for some of you, no? So, let's see what's the message, advice for you ni universe, no, mga Taurus natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Taurus. Let's see. Message, advice for Taurus. So, you have this. Your only limit is your mind. No? So for some of you, no, don't stop believing in yourself. Don't stop creating anything na alam mo sa sarili mo na napaka-creative nyo kasi, no, for some of you Taurus, that kung ano man itong mga iniisip nyo, no, you are making it into reality, right? No? So don't limit yourself. Alam mong may potential ka, no, for some of you Taurus, right? No? Ano man itong mga naiisip mo, gawin mo, no? There is no limit, right? No limit mo lang is kung mag-stop ka. Imagining, no, what is in imagining your dreams, no, something like that. Kung mag-stop ka, so yun na, ikaw lang din yung mag-i-stop na or nagli-limit sa sarili mo, right? No, but then don't stop limiting, no, I mean don't limit yourself, right? No, your mind by imagining, creating something good, lalo na for you na alam mo magkakaroon ka ng stability dito sa naiisip ninyo. So make it happen, no? Make it into reality, no? Something like that, right? No, alam mo may magbubunga rito, no? At nararamdaman mo yan, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you mga Taurus natin, no? So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, Taurus. So yeah, that's it, no? God bless you all and thank you for watching, Taurus. So, yeah, let's continue with you, Virgo. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Virgo natin? So, let's see what is your inner strength, no, mga Virgo natin. Let's see what is your inner strength for Virgo. Concentrate on your energies, no, mga goddesses ko, Virgo. So, let's see. So, you have this free spirit. No, so, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right? Your inner strength is, you are, flexible, right? No, for some of you, no, kahit saan ka ilagay, you are capable of everything, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito with this free spirit, no? You are, sabihin natin na, walang inuurungan, no? Something like that, right? No, kumbaga, kahit saan ka ilagay, alam mong kakayanin mo, alam mong kaya mong gawin, no? So, you are this, no? That is your inner strength, right? No, so, may nakalagay pa ba rito? Yun nga, free spirit, right? No, kumbaga, open ka, no? Open ka, kung ano man yung dumadating sa'yo, you are open, no? Something like that, right? No, at for some of you, madali kang pakisamahan din, no? For some of you, ng mga tao sa paligid nyo. That's why, napakagaan ng mga tao sa inyo, right? No, kung ano man to, right? No, parang you are, you are easy to be, something na parang magaan kayo kasama, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, that is your inner strength, no? Kumbaga ay, nakukuha mo yung loob din ng mga tao, right? Because napakagaling nyo, no? With this free spirit, no? Kasi nga sabi ko, flexible, you are capable of everything. Halos, parang sabihin natin na parang, for some of you, no? Parang, alam mo yung isasagot or alam mo makipag-conversation sa mga tao sa paligid mo kahit na ngayon mo lang sila na encounter or ngayon mo lang sila nakakaharap, no? For some of you, Virgo, right? No, you are this, right? No, hindi ka nahihiya to face na or to talk to people na alam mo na ngayon mo lang sila na nakita or nakaharap, no? Something like that. And from that, no, with this free spirit, right, no, marami kayong alam, right? No, parang no limits sa inyong knowledge, right? No, parang lahat alam nyo, no? For some of you lang, no? So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, for some of you, no? And that is your inner strength, no? That being flexible, no? Something like that, no? Being smart, intelligent, na parang intuitively na parang alam nyo agad ano yung sitwasyon, alam mo agad ano yung isasagot mo sa tao na ngayon mo lang nakausap, ngayon mo lang nakakwentuhan. Something like that, right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko. So, that is your inner strength, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No? So, let's see, no, current situation for Virgo. Please, no, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Virgo. Holy Spirit, no? Holy Spirit, Lord Jesus Christ, no? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Virgo. Let's see. So, you have this, 8 of Pentacles, no? 8 of Pentacles in reverse, and then the Hermit in reverse also, no? So, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko dito, no, mga Virgo, no, may malaking, sabihin natin, no, may pagkalugi for some of you or nalulugi, no? For some of you, parang, something na nakikita ko rito, no, may kumukuha or may nagsasabotahe, something sa financial, sa mga pinaghirapan ninyo, right? No? Parang there is someone sneaky around you, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, kung makikita mo rito, right, na parang gulat na gulat kayo, no, parang bakit, 'di ba? Parang sabihin mo na bakit yung may kulang or may nawala, no? Something like that, no? Sabihin natin. And of course, with the Hermit in reverse, no? Makikita mo rito na nasa paligid mo ng tao na ito, no? Nagdi-disguise, right? No, with the Hermit in reverse, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. May pagbabalat kayo, no? Something like that, no? Person close to you, no? Na may, hindi lang naman siguro financial, no? But then, meron siyang ginagawa. Or, nananabotahe. Or, stealing, no? Something na may ini-steal siya sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no? Kumbaga sinasamantala na rin niya, yung may pagsasamantala rito, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito, no? For some of you. So, beware of this person, no? Mga Virgo natin, right, no? There is someone sneaky around you, no? Na close to you, no, ang nakikita ko rito na bakit siguro for some of you ang bigat, no, may mabigat kang pakiramdam or may mabigat na parang energy na hindi mo maintindihan bakit parang hindi maganda yung nagiging araw-araw ninyo, no, for some of you, right, no, because there is someone around you na ayun yung nagiging reason, no, because maybe for some of you nga, this person is not being true to you nga because nga, nagtatago siya, no, with the Hermit in reverse, no. Ang nakikita ko, nagbabalat kayo, right, no. So, meron lang tong kailangan, that's why, or nakikinabang siya kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo, no. Something like that, no, mga Virgo. So, alamin mo, or maybe for some of you, alam mo na kung sino yung tinutukoy ko dito, right? Ng mga Virgo natin. So, beware, and of course, be vigilant, no? At maybe for some of you, huwag ka na masyadong maingay regarding your ideas, kung ano man ito, because nakikita ko rito, no? May pag-i-steal, no? Kung ano man itong gusto niyang kunin sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? Mga Virgo, no? Something na mahalaga, or sabihin natin na pinaghihirapan or pinaghihirapan nyo ang gustong kunin or isabotahin ng tao na ito na malapit lang sa inyo, no? Nasa paligid nyo lang itong tao na ito na hindi mo napapansin because nagbabalat kayo siya, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun ang nakikita ko dyan, no? Mga Virgo natin, right? No? So, let's see what else, no? Ano pang sitwasyon meron for you, mga Virgo natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo. Current situation for Virgo, please. Let's see. So, yeah, let's see. No, kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Virgo. So, you have this 6 of Pentacles and then Ace of Swords. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko talaga rito, no, may someone talaga. At yeah, hindi magtatagal, no, malalaman mo rin, no, with this Ace of Swords, no, kung sino man ito, right? No, there is someone talaga na nag-i-steal or may ginagawang hindi maganda, no, something like that. At with this Ace of Swords, no, ang nakikita ko rito na ay malalaman mo rin to soon, no? May makikitaan mo ng ebidensya or what, no? Kung basta malalaman mo siya, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano yung dumadating or ano itong kinakaharap mong problema, malalaman mo kung bakit ka nagkaroon ng ganitong problema because of someone, no? Dahil sinadya ito, no? Or may gumawa na talagang para ay bumagsak ka or kung ano man itong pinagdadaanan ninyo, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No? And then for some of you naman, there is a message, Ace of Swords, no? May magsasabi ng katotohanan kasi talaga rito or may marireveal na katotohanan, no? Something like that, no, right? No? Or na na magkakaroon ng enlightenment for you, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No? Maybe for some of you, no, from the past, no, may mababalitaan ka, no, magkakaroon ng financial, for some of you, baka sabihin natin may magbibigay sa inyo ng pera, something like that, no. Maybe kamag-anak mo, no, for some of you, dahil may sasabihin nito, no, sasabihin niya, kumaga parang bigla kang may malalaman na katotohanan dito, no, mga Virgo natin. Regarding financial rin, no. Meron ding kinalaman sa financial, no. Maybe mana, for some of you, no, may malalaman ka about that, no. Something like that, no. So just take what's resonating for you, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No? So let's see what else, no? Kung ano man to, no? Kasi parang with the 6 of Pentacles, pwedeng hindi lang financial. Sabihin natin, galing pa sa family, no, ancestral, no, something like that, na parang sabihin natin na malalaman mo kung parang may malalaman ka katotohanan regarding that, right? No, or basta something like that na from the past, no? Ayun ang nakikita ko rito na may malalaman ka na kung ano man ito. At ang nakikita ko rito ay for some of you magandang balita yung malalaman mo, no? From that past, no? Kung ano man yun, no? Mga Virgo natin. And then for some of you naman nga, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina is meron talagang person around you na malalaman mo rin soon, no? Kung sino tong mga na hindi talaga nagiging totoo sa iyo, no? At may pagnanakaw nga, sabi ko nga, may pagnanakaw na ginagawa ito, right? No, something stealing, no, kung ano man ito, right? No, for some of you. So let's see what else, no, current situation pa for you, no, mga Virgo natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Virgo. Current situation for Virgo natin. Let's see. So you have this, I bury myself in work to forget you, and just being near you is, and yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, you have this, I bury myself in work to forget you, and just being near you is intoxicating. No? So for some of you, no, current situation for you, Virgo, no, maybe sabihin natin, no, for some of you, there is a person here na yeah, literally, no, kinakalimutan niya kayo by being busy sa work, no, getting busy, no, for some of you, puro trabaho, trabaho na lang, no, parang ayaw niyang mapalapit pa, no, something like that, no, parang gusto niya ng kalimutan, no, something like that, or makalimutan ikaw, or vice versa to, right, no, and then for some of you nga, ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, parang kung meron nan kayong situation na sabihin natin parang toxic na sa inyo, no, right? No, parang sinasabi rin dito, no, kailangan nyo lang siguro mag-unwind, no, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, masyado na kayong busy sa work niyo na you are, parang umiinit-init na yung mga ulo ninyo, or kung ano man itong mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo, nakaka-affect na sa inyong mental health, no, palagi na lang mataas ang temper for some of you, Virgo, no? So, ay hindi nakikita ko. So, maybe for some of you, magkaroon kayo ng time for yourself din, no? Magkaroon ng relaxation din, no? For some of you. Kasi masyado na rin kayong pagod, no? Sa araw-araw na ginagawa ninyo. So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, na masyado yung pinapagod yung sarili ninyo, right? Na kaya kayo na you are feeling intoxicating din, or diba, natotoxican kayo sa paligid nyo because ikaw mismo sa sarili mo kasi pinapagod mo yung sarili mo, no? So parang from that, no, ay nagiging mainit yung ulo mo din sa mga tao sa paligid mo, right, mga Virgo, no? So nadadamay sila, no? So for some of you lang, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No? So let's see what's the message advice for you, mga Virgo natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for Virgo. Message advice for Virgo, please. Let's see. So you have this. Don't give up on the person you are becoming. So for some of you, no, sinasabi dito ni Universe, Virgo, na huwag kang susuko talaga, right? No, sa mga goals in life mo, dreams in life mo, right? No, because you are this na, you are stepping into that na, no? Inuumpisahan mo na. So why give up pa, right? No, ituloy-tuloy mo na because alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya mo, at alam mo sa sarili mo, makukuha mo ito, right? Malakas ang pakiramdam mo, magagawa mo to, or makukuha mo tong ninanais mo na ito. So, don't give up, right? No? Ano mang challenges ang dumadaan, alam mo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Mahirap man, but then, di ba, sinasabi sa ni Universe, don't give up. If you want that, kung ano man yan, pursue it, no, mga Virgo natin. Huwag kang give up because para sa iyo yan, right? No, huwag mo nang hayaang mawala pa yan sa iyo, right? No, something like that, no, mga Virgo natin. So, para sa iyo rin yung kung ano man itong mga ginagawa mo, no, para sa sabihin nating magandang development, no, kung ano man ito, Virgo, right? No, alam mong malaki tong magiging ambag nito sa buhay mo, right? No, so don't give up, no? Continue mo lang to at alam kong malalagpas or I mean makakamit mo rin tong mga ginugusto mong makuha sa buhay mo, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Virgo. No, so I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, Virgo. So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Virgo. So, yeah, now let's proceed to you, Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Capricorn natin? So, let's see. What's your hidden strength? I mean, inner strength, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Capricorn. Let's see. What's your inner strength, no? Mga Capricorn natin? So you have this damsel fly brings direction. No? So for some of you, no, mga Capricorn, no, ang nakikita ko rito, your inner strength, right? No, sabihin natin na parang yan, no, even though na marami kayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay, right, no, mga Capricorn, still, you are choosing light, no, something like that. Kasi, yung direction no, kumaga brings direction, no, so sinasabi rito, kumaga, still you are choosing light, no, kahit na parang may mga temptation, no, for some of you Capricorn, right, no, you are choosing to be in a good side, right, no, or, yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko, right, dito, no, nandoon pa rin kayo, no, nakafocus pa rin kayo sa light at doon kayo papunta, no, right, no, matagal man yung daanan, no, medyo matagal lang papunta dun sa light, but then alam mo sa sarili mo na ito yung dapat mong gawin, right? No? So that is your inner strength, right? Hindi ka na nagpapadistract, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Nilalakasan mo na yung loob mo. For some of you, maybe nagkaroon from the past ng mga temptation around you na nadala ka for some of you, and right now tinitibayan mo because inner strength yan, right, no, na you are choosing to be a better person right now, no, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no, even though you are done something na hindi maganda, no, kumbaga ngayon nare-realize mo na, and now you want to be a better person, no? Something like that. And from that, no, nagkakaroon ka ng nagkakaroon ka na ng for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rin dito, right, no, nasa tamang direction ka na, no, you are, yeah, for some of you, parang ayaw mo na ng magulo ang buhay, no, you are choosing peace, no, and then, light, no, in your life, no, something like that, no, mga Capricorn, and that is your strength. Of course, mahirap magbago, no, for some of you, no, napakahirap magbago ng sarili, lalo na, no, nakasanayan mong gawin kung ano man yun, right, no, napakahirap tanggalin yan, right, aminin natin yan, but then, kung nagagawa mo na yan, no, unti-unti nagagawa mo na at totally maalisan mo na yan, napakalakas mo na, no, kasi mahirap alisin ang mga bagay-bagay na alam mong kinasanayan mo na, right? No? So that is your inner strength, no? Mga Capricorn, nagkaroon ka ng inner strength from that, no? At pag nagawa mo na totally yan, no? Kahit ano pang dumating sa'yo na alam mong hindi maganda, hindi mo na yan papansinin, right? No? Alam mo na kasi you are choosing better, sabihin natin you are choosing to be a good person right now, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So let's see what's the current situation pa for you, no, mga Capricorn natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Current situation for Capricorn, please. Current situation. Madulas yung cards natin. So, current situation for Capricorn. So, you have this brave, no second chances, and then legal matters, no, disputes. No, so, for some of you, no, nakikita ko rito, right, no, maybe for some of you, no, current situation, no, meron kayong inaasikaso, right, no, legally, for some of you, no, nasa process na legally, nasa court na, for some of you, kung ano man ito, no, parang wala nang second chance, no, for some of you, may final decision na dito, no, for some of you, and that is, kumbaga ay hindi na siya mababago pa, no, something like that, kung ano man itong mga inaayos ninyo or sinisettle nyo legally, no, for some of you, right, no, ay may final decision na dito, no, or magkakaroon na ng final decision, no, for some of you, right, no? At hinihintay nyo na rin yung resulta nito, no, kung ano man ito, right, no, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn natin, no, there is a court, legal matters, no, you are pursuing, no, right now, no, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn natin, right? No, so let's see, ano pang sitwasyon for Capricorn natin. Let's see, sitwasyon for Capricorn. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Capricorn. Sitwasyon for Capricorn, please. So you have this, the Empress, and then Strength. No, so for some of you, no, Capricorn, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, with this card, no, with the Empress, no, masyado nang marami kayong pinagdaanan, for some of you, right, no, and then, mas pinatatatag pa kayo, no, for some of you, no, for some of you, this is regarding a relationship, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, mas pinapatatag pa ang inyong relationship, no, for some of you, right, no, ang mga Capricorn natin, no, with the Empress, because, sabihin natin marami man kayong pinagdaanan, still you are choosing, your, pares niyong pinipili pa rin ang isa't isa, right? No, at kumbaga, mas nagiging matatag pa kayo, no, kung ano man itong mga pinagdadaanan nyo, right? No, or napagdaanan within the relationship na mga problems, no, mas pinatatatag kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Mas nagiging tumitibay yung foundation ng relationship ninyo, right? No, with the Empress, ang nakikita ko dito, napakadaming struggles talaga. Hindi kayo magiging, kumaga hindi lang ikaw to, kumaga yung relationship nyo, no, parang Empress na naging matatag na, no, yung foundation, no, at mas pinatatatag pa, no, kung ano man yung mga pagsubok or problem sa pinagdaanan, no, mas naging matatag pa kayo na akala ay maybe for some of you, no, akala ay mabubuwag na, but then mas lalo pang pinatatag, no, ng mga problema, no, something like that, ang inyong relationship, no, something like that, mga Capricorn natin, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dyan. So, what else, no? Tignan pa natin. Current situation for you, no? Mga Capricorn natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here. For you, Capricorn. Let's see. Current situation for Capricorn. Tingnan natin. Ano pang meron for Capricorn? So you have this 8 of Swords in reverse, and then what? 3 of Cups, no, in reverse also, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So you have 8 of Swords in reverse and 3 of Cups in reverse also. So ang nakikita ko nga, no, for some of you, no, within the relationship, no, nagkaroon ng mga betrayal, no, third party, na involved sa third party for some of you, mga Capricorn, but then parang tapos na to, no, nangyari na to sa past, no, at now, no, maybe may kinalaman dito sa cards na ito, right, no, you are moving on together, no, parang nagpatawad na, no, for some of you, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito, right, and now, you are choosing to move on, no, to start anew, no, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn natin, right, no, so, natapos na or matatapos na kung ano man itong mga struggles ninyo ng inyong person dito, right, no, mga Capricorn natin, no, so let's see, what's the message advice for you ni Universe, no, mga Capricorn natin, so let's see, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Capricorn, message advice from the Universe. So you have this, I am grateful for another day to make a positive contribution, right? No, so ang sinasabi dito na message for you from the universe is sinasabi is kumaga you are kung ano yung dumadating sa inyo, hindi pa man yun nakakamit to, right, no? Nagpapasalamat na kayo at nakikita yun, no? And from that, no, kumaga nagiging positive kasi kayo dito, no? From being positive, yung energy nyo, nagko-contribute din around you. Something like that, right, no? Nagkakaroon ng, nagiging positive din yung aura sa paligid ninyo, right? No, kasi kumbaga parang ano man yung dumating, no, hindi pa man dumadating, nagpapasalamat na kayo, right? Mga Capricorn natin. So, nadadamay niyo yung paligid ninyo, no, from that being positive, no, sa inyong sarili, right? No, nagiging kumbaga sabihin natin na everyday, no, optimistic kayo, no, you are being optimistic whatever situation you are in, no, still positive lang kayo, no, at nadadamay, no, because you are embodying this, no, pati tao sa paligid mo, no, nakukuha nila yung magandang energy mo, no, so nagiging positive at nawawala yung unti-unti yung negativities around you, no, mga Capricorn natin. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito message for you, that continue mo lang being optimistic, no, continue attract positivity, right, no, mga Capricorn natin, no. So you are doing a great job with this at nakikita ni universe, no, how grateful you are with this, no, at alam nila, no, kaya that's why kung ano yung ginagawa mo or pinapakita mo, no, sinusuklian ni universe yan, right, no. So alam mo yan, nararamdaman mo rin yan sa sarili mo that you are blessed, no, something like that, ng mga Capricorn natin, no. So napakaganda rin, no, ng inyong energy dito, no, because talagang ramdam yung positivity ninyo dito, no, mga Capricorn natin, no. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Capricorn, no. I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. So overall, no, mga earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So I hope na makita ko kayo again sa next reading natin for you. And thank you for always tuning in sa ating YouTube channel, no, sa pag-aabang sa mga readings natin for you, mga earth signs natin. So yeah, that's it for you. Have faith and always pray lang, no. God bless you all, earth signs, and thank you for watching, earth signs.